Today, I'm going to give you 5 tips for creating killer email subject lines. Tip 1 is to make your subject lines as short as possible. MailChimp and HubSpot have both found that subject lines of over 60 characters tend not to perform as well as shorter ones, with around 50 characters being the optimal length. Tip 2 is to highlight to your readers how they will benefit from opening your email. Tip 3 is to create a sense of urgency. Make your readers feel like they have to open your email right now. Using words like hurry, now, today, and final can help achieve this. Tip 4 is to consider adding numbers into your subject line, as this is statistically proven to increase click-through rates. And finally, tip 5 is to make your reader feel special. Using words like exclusive, gift, and just for you have been shown to improve click-through rates. See you soon.